Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. So I am on my way out the door because I have to take some stuff to the post office, and then I need to run in Abercrombie and Fitch. Is that how you say it? Abercrombie? To turn some pants in for my son that didn't fit. Let me walk back here and get, oh, that smell's starting to clear up. Thank you, Lord. Get some shades from back here. Let me sit y'all down. Get some shades real quick. Y'all, I got my wig head finally. This is how it looks. I ordered it from Amazon. It was like $25. Just getting some shades. It's dark in my closet. Okay. Whew. I haven't worn these in a while. All right, so we're going to Abercrombie, the post office, Walmart, because I have to get some stuff to cook for dinner, and back home. So let's go. All right, y'all. So we're walking out here to go return these items and get my coins back. These pants was $65 and he can't fit them. My son getting so tall. Okay. All right, y'all, that was easy. Okay. Now we're leaving. Oh. I'm trying to decide if I need something out of Sephora, but I guess I will go in there because Khalila's making me go. She hasn't turned, so I guess we will go in Sephora. Excuse the way I look, girl. Okay, don't come up here judging me. I done told y'all. It is tea time. That's just a shot of ginger to wake me up, get me started. There's a lot of health benefits from taking ginger shots, so just do your research. Then I'm gonna put in my green tea and my peppermint tea, and I don't add any honey or sugar when I'm doing the ginger shot, but I will be using some of my peppermint candy spoons. I got these from Walmart, and they'll just give me that sweetness that I need. Y'all, so here is my little vessel.
I didn't spray paint it. I'm keeping it this color, and I just bought these little branches from Hobby Lobby, which I should have waited until they went on sale because they were like $14.99 each, and I bought 3. So this looks so pretty. So yeah, it's gonna stay this color, and I like it. Y'all excuse that blanket that's on my sofa. That's just how I like to lounge on it. Or like if I have my little sister up here and she's, you know, if she have on like jeans or something like that, I have to put this down because I don't want any of that blue dye to get on my sofa. So we've sprayed it down with Scotch Guard and everything like that, but I still like to put down a blanket. So let me show you what I picked up from Walmart yesterday. Let me just pull this stuff out of the bag so I can show y'all. So I didn't get anything from Sephora. My little sister got something from Sephora, but when we went in Walmart, I just tried some stuff out. So these lashes right here. Now y'all know that I love my cherry blossom lashes, and I usually don't buy anything else. I was ripping the box open, and then I said, well, let me show my people, cause girl. So this is the Salon Pro Pre-Permed Push-Up lashes. This is the medium curl, and these things are so pretty. So pretty. So it's the number 671. I used to wear the Ardell lashes 106 and I want to say 617 in the Ardells. Really, really pretty. And then of course the Wispies. Those are like the lashes that I can wear. But I saw these and I'm like, oh my God, these are so pretty. So I'm going to be wearing these today, and I'll show you guys how they look. And then I just picked up some more of the Fit Me Concealer in Cafe. These are the eyebrow pencils that I use. I always get a lot of questions. The Maybelline Expert Wear eyebrow pencils, and I get the Velvet Black. So I just bought 3 packs of those. And then the CoverGirl True Blend, and I got the color D70. I think it has a name though. Yeah, Cappuccino. And then I think I tried this one before, but I'm not too sure. But it's the Born to Glow NYX foundation, and this one is in the color Cocoa. So I wanted to try that. And then I just saw this. Y'all know I'm a sucker for nudes. So I seen this really pretty Wet n Wild. It's a high shine lipstick. So y'all please try not to pay attention to my nails. I'm getting ready to do them over. But this is in the color Send Me Nudes. So I said, yeah, this is like the perfect color for me. And then I've never tried this one before, the Maybelline Fit Me powder. And I got it in the color Java. Now I know the foundation Java is way too dark for me, but the other pressed powders look pretty light. So this was like the darkest one. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. And then I picked up, is this Revlon? No, this is Rimmel, a matte lipstick, another nude matte lipstick, and this is in the color Mocha. So I thought this was really pretty. And then I just picked up some French nude press-ons, so I'm getting ready to do those now because I don't feel like polishing my nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on really quick. I've never tried this one, but y'all know I had got those ones from the Dollar Tree, which I think I'm gonna go back and grab some because they was actually really cute. So yeah, I'm getting ready to do this now. And that's all I picked up from Walmart.
Okay, y'all, so I tried all of the new products today. So I have on the lashes, and I still like my other lashes better. These are okay. They were a little too long for my eyes, so I had to clip the ends. But I don't know, it's not giving me, girl, who did your lashes? It's giving me very much basic. My other lashes, I could just pull them off, pop them right on, but these took a little bit longer. Then I did use the NYX foundation, and I like it. And then I have on the lip gloss, the nude lip gloss. So I'll try to have the stuff in the description box for you guys if you want to try to order them. The lashes are really pretty, but I just prefer my other ones because these are just not giving me see, this is how they look. They're not giving me what I need. I don't know, but they are pretty. But I guess I'll be giving the other pair to Kalila. So what I'm getting ready to do, I'm gonna go to Target, Trader Joe's, and Home Goods is on that street, so I might as well go to Home Goods. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. Hopefully I remember to vlog in there. If I don't, then of course I'll show you guys what I picked up when I get back. Okay, I'm back from Trader Joe's, so let me show you guys really quick everything that I picked up. Vegetable rolls, chicken rolls, salsa, lemon elderflower soda, sparkling watermelon juice, sparkling coconut water, multigrain crackers, brownie crisps, jam jar, hash browns, spinach artichoke dip, vegetable rice, Japanese style fried rice, oat milk, and jacama wraps. Then I went to Rose, picked up some broccoli, 4 crab legs, and then the king crab. Y'all, these king crabs are so big, and they usually don't have these at Rose, but they had them at Rose, and they're as long as my arm. So these are probably like the same size that they sell at Costco's, the ones that's in the box. So yeah, this was really good, and they're really big. So this is for my mukbang on Friday with my husband. And then my favorite seafood seasoning, this is the Florida seafood seasoning. Now with the vegetable spring rolls, I picked up 2 boxes because me and my son, we love them. So these we like better than the chicken ones, but the chicken ones are good too. But we probably run through 1 box in one day. It comes with like 6 in a box, and we eat them all quick. So this one, the vegetable roll, has kale, edamame, mushrooms, and shredded tofu. It's really good. And then I just wanted to try these. So I like that they come in the individual can so you can try it out before you buy the whole box. So a girl that I follow on YouTube had posted this one on her page. So I said, well, let me try it. I usually don't like coconut water, but I'm gonna give this one a try. Of course, I had to buy some more of the jam jar. And then I wanted to try this because I heard that this was pretty good. I heard about the brownie crisp years ago, but I just never got around to picking it up. I actually forgot all about it because y'all know I'm not really a sweets person, but it's close to that time of the month, so these will come in handy. And then I've always wanted to try oat milk because they don't sell this like in Walmart. When I usually go in there, I can never find it. That is it for the grocery store haul. Okay, so before we get into the pillows, I did my nails, but I ended up using the other press-on nails that I had because the ones that I bought from Walmart yesterday, I wasn't feeling those. So I just put on my other ones. Okay, so you guys know that I've been using my pillows for my bed in here on my couch in the studio. But I had bought some from Amazon. And these are the 26 by 26. I bought 2 of them, which I should have bought 3, but let me just show y'all how they look. So I bought 2, and you can do the chop. Love these pillows so much, but they don't have a pillowcase, pillow sham, whatever you want to call it. So I've been looking around and I can't find the color that I'm looking for. So I had went to IKEA. IKEA don't never have nothing. I'm tired of them. So today I was in Target. Let's push this stuff over here. Today I was in Target and I saw these and they look so pretty. So it's these, but I can't do the chop with these. But I mean, it matches the sofa perfectly. Put one up here. So this is how it looks. And as you guys can see, like, it matches the couch.
So I think I'm gonna go with those. So I'm gonna go ahead and just return these pillows back to Amazon. You can just return them at Kohl's and they'll put your money back on your card same day. These two pillows were $40 and these were $25 per pillow. So I bought 3 of those. So now I can take my other pillows back in my room. All right, so here's the new pillows. Girl, I beat the hell out of this one, child. Just excuse it, because it wouldn't do what I needed it to do. It was being hard-headed. So, girl, but this is it. So, I think I'm happy with these pillows. Now I can take my other pillows back into the bedroom. These right here. And then I can take the other ones back to Amazon. Hopefully, y'all can hear me because I got on my mask. I'm at Kohl's. I have the pillows right here. And yes, I do have them in a whole Target bag. Okay. So if y'all didn't know, you can return your items at Kohl's from Amazon. Okay, so I've had this in the refrigerator for a while, so it's nice and cold. So this is the first one that we're gonna try together, and hopefully it's good. All right, y'all, let's see. I don't know why I started drinking it and I prepared myself for it to taste like kombucha. I don't know why. But this is good. I like this. I would drink this. So it's no added ingredients, 60 calories. I can drink this. Yeah. Sparkling watermelon water. Thank me later.